Hello viewers, this is JBL Jembe 2.0 Bluetooth speaker for computer table. This has jarring sound, crackling sound in the speaker. So let's remove this and see what is the problem. Let me remove first the main speaker with this adapter input. Let me see in this. Let me disassemble first. Alright, let me remove the sticker. Removing the socket, desoldering the wires of the speaker. Alright, let's keep this separate. Now let me remove the speaker here. Oh, foam surround has gone. Coming close up, you can see this rubber foam. This is rubber surround. This is not rubber surround. This is foam surround. It is completely gone. We have to replace this. All right, let's replace this. The size of this, let's see. Let's measure the size of this ring. It's around 1.75 inches. I think I have the foam ring for this size. Let me find and come. This is the foam ring for this size. I think it will fit here perfectly. Alright, we have to clean this before pasting this. Let me clean this. Now let's see what is the problem in the other speaker. Let me remove that. This we have to remove. No. Right. Let me remove the speaker wire here. Came out. Keeping that separate. Let's open this speaker as well. All right, this foam has gone. So both speakers are bad. I'm coming close up with the two speakers. We have the foam ring, we can put it. Let me clean this first and we will fix the foam ring and then later we will test it. All right, let me clean that and come back very soon. All right, I have cleaned this part. I've taken these rings, but the thing is, the problem is the ring size is bigger. So I'm going to splice it. So I'm just cutting here. Now I am just taking the size of this. Alright, this is the size. Alright, I have sliced it and pasted like this. Now it is fixing properly to the exact diameter of the speaker. So let me paste the ring here. Alright, let me paste the ring here. Stop applying the glue. Alright. Now I am going to place the ring. Just pressing like this, it will hold. Alright, I will fix the one more speaker and come back. Alright, I have pasted the foam surround perfectly. Centering is perfect, 100% perfect, there is no sound. So let us wait for some 10 minutes at least. Let this get dry, then we will fix it in the speaker. After that we will test it. Alright, now fitting one of the speakers. This is positioned. Let me put the screws. Alright, one of the speaker is fixed in the housing. Now I'm fixing the other speaker here. I have given this washer kind of thing to prevent air leakage. Alright. Done. The two speakers are fixed back to its housing. Let me connect this housing to the other part of the speaker one by one. Now the speaker wire plus goes to plus. All right. Now connecting this socket. Done. Putting back the speakers to its housing. All right. Now putting the cover, front cover. Done. One of the speaker is ready. Putting the sticker back here to its place. Done. One of the speaker is ready. Now I'm going to fix the other one, other channel. Plus will go to plus. Minus will go to minus. All right. Now it's time to put the cover. All right, now let's put this top cover. Done. Then front cover. All right, the speaker is ready. Now it's time to test the speaker. All right, now I'm connecting the adapter, 12 volt input. Now I'm turning on the speaker. Light is coming. Connecting to the mobile. This light will change to blue. Yeah. Now playing the song. Testing through my mic. Alright, there is no crackling sound now. Everything is perfect. Speaker is ready. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.